You work at an NGO and you know about cold chain. You know the challenges of shipping temperature-sensitive vaccines to poor countries. Today, you're doing this with various different temperature monitoring devices, data logger, electronic indicators, or freeze indicators. And you know they come at a quite high price. The good message, we have a new device which covers all the requirements of those previous devices, and it comes at a much lower price. And the best about it, you can download the data in case of alarm. There's a lot of statistics available. The device is WHO pre-qualified, it's GxP compliant, it's IATA compliant, it comes with a NIST calibration certificate. Over your free sample today.